Second grade, chapter 5 is two-digit subtraction. You were just doing addition. Now it's time for you to subtract. Okay? That means taking away. First, what they want you to do is show what you know. This says subtract 2. So for all of these, if you listen with your ears open right now, you are subtracting 2 on all of these on 1 through 6. 7 minus 2 equals 5. They did that one for you. It is now your turn to do 6 minus, what's the number we're subtracting by? 2. And then you write the answer. 2 will be the second one on all of them. Then you're going to find the answer for 7 through 12. Okay? And then you're going to write how many 10s and 1s are in each model on the bottom. We will do this back part together. Go ahead and do share and show, or show what you know by yourself. Okay, 6 minus 2 is what? Ivan? 4. 3 minus 5 is what? 5 minus 2 is, Lena?
3.
4 minus 2 is, Henley?
2.
3 minus 2 is, Jason?
1.
2 minus 2 is, Isaac? Hey, if you didn't get any of those right, you need to fix them with your red pencil. Yeah, I know it does. Yep. 8 minus 5. You put up 8 fingers. Take away 5. What do you have left, boys and girls? Or Landon? 14 minus 6. Xander?
12.
No. No. Not 12. 14 minus 6 is not 12. Bias?
8.
8. You guys agree with that one?
Yes.
14 minus 2 is 12. Not 14 minus 6. 9 minus 6. Lena?
3.
16 minus 7. Jaren?
9.
12 minus 6. Chase? 10 minus 8. Grayson?
2.
How many 10s is in 54? Everyone?
5.
How many 1s?
4.
Lene, how many 10s are in 45?
4.
How many 1s?
5.
Okay. Everybody got to answer, right? You did. Didn't you answer one of them up here? Or?
Yeah.
Okay.
You do. Because it goes to 14.
Right. You just didn't get one of them down here. But you got one of them up there, right? Okay. All right. You what? All right, boys and girls, when you subtract, okay, let's say I'm doing 10 minus 8. First of all, you shouldn't have had to do the stack and subtract exactly like that. You should have just thought, if I have 10 cookies and I take away 8 cookies, how many do I have left? Okay? However, because I don't think because at this point, you guys don't know how to subtract with it, like stacking and subtracting. Okay? So don't try to do it until you learn how to do it, okay? Don't stack and subtract without learning how to do it. I know we have them stacked right there, but you don't bring down the 1. Okay? That's not what you do. All right. Next page. Fill in the boxes of the graphic organizer. Okay, they put difference in there. Okay, I'm going to come over here to my vocabulary. Can someone come over here with me and read what difference means? Kason, come read what difference means. Okay, it's the answer of a subtraction problem. When it asks you to find the difference, it means find the answer to a subtraction problem. So describe it. An answer to a subtraction problem. Right, neat. Right, neat. Make sure you have spaces in where they need to be. Not in the middle of words, but after the words. Write neatly. An answer to a subtraction problem. Okay, so some examples. You can see that they already have these written for you, but you can write over them. 10 minus 4 equals 6. What's the difference in that problem? Everyone?
6.
6. 6 is the difference. That's why they circled it. Okay? Not an example. 4 plus 6 equals 10. Now, I know that 10 is an answer, but that's an answer to a what?
Addition.
Yeah, what do we call those? Isaac? What's the answer to an addition problem called? Sum. We call these sums, not differences. When you have an answer to a subtraction problem, it's called difference. Okay? Got it? Okay. Now, understand vocabulary. Draw a line to complete the sentence. They have one done for you. A digit can be any number, right? Digits are numbers. Okay, so go ahead and do that one. Now we have regroup. Vocabulary word over here, regroup. Right here, you don't ever know. When you carry a number from one column to another. Okay. When you are regrouping, you are trading 10 ones for 1 10. Okay? You are trading. Does that make sense? Or does that, well, it probably doesn't make sense yet for you, but it will. Okay? It'll be when you are trading. 21s is the same as, we should know this one, right? The only one we have left. 2 10s. Okay. All right. Yes, I'm going to have you play. All right. With a partner. However, what I'm going to have you do is just one, you're going to play it like Tic Tac Toe. Okay, you're going to play it like Tic Tac Toe. So you can have 4 games going on. Okay? Player 1 gets to start on this side. Where it says player 1, that just means you get to start. Okay? Player 2 gets to start first the next time. So what happens is, player 1 has to figure out where do they want to put their token. Okay? And wherever they want to put their token, Let's say you want to put it in the middle. You have to say what 13 minus 7 is.
Oh.
If you get it wrong, it's your partner's turn.
Oh.
You don't get to put your token there. Whoever gets a tic-tac-toe wins.
For 4 games in a row.
Well, actually, yeah, you can do a game here and a game here on one person's, and then a game. Actually, it's basically only 2. Okay, it's 2 games.
Good football.
You'll just have to have one person's paper. All right?
Yes.
All right. I'll give you your tokens, and you guys can play.